Hello my friends, today I want to show you how I actually managed to break my first Gerber dime. See, the thing that actually holds the pliers is very weak. Do you see that broken part? Here it's still alright, but turns out it's very fragile. And if you squeeze something very hard, this thing will bend outwards. In my case it bent once. I tried to bend it back in place and it just snapped. And it was barely a month of use. This one looks a bit better, but I don't know how long it's going to last. The material looks different, the color of the steel and whatnot, but I can still feel it bend a bit when you squeeze hard. You can see it, you can feel it flex. See how much. That's why I prefer the Leatherman squared PS4, but it's not being made anymore and it's hard to find. It's a nice multi-tool, but you've got to be careful. And the next thing I want to say is that the scissors are horrible. I mean, the shape of the blade, I don't know, it's nothing compared to the Leatherman.